Have you ever seen a normally calm person completely lose their shit? What happened? I had a friend who was in his 60s, a functioning alcoholic, but he was the most calm and composed guy I have ever known. He never used to raise his voice or swear. Everything was done with meticulous precision. He once explained to me that if you use vulgar language and shout all the time, then you will have nowhere to go when you really do get angry. I had worked with him for about 3 years. Never heard him raise his voice or swear before. The week before, he had been shafted on his pay, and the manager promised to get it sorted by Friday. Friday rolled around, and it had not been sorted. So when my friend walked up to the manager in the open office and declared loudly, "Where the frick is my money? You promised this would be resolved?" the whole office went silent, and the look of dread on the manager's face was haunting. The money was in his account by the end of the day.